Assalamu alaikum. I hope you are all doing well. Uh, my dear beloved brother and sister. So this is Nuralam. Welcome back to my English habit. So today's topic is very important. Uh, Especially if you are a beginner learner, watching this video must for you. Okay. So I am going to talk about how to build an English habit. Okay, so let's get our main topic or um, main point. So, uh, if you were a beginner learner, and every beginner learner, every people first time very motivated, very inspired. Okay, but after 7 days or 10 days, fully stopped. Okay, so first time all everything, no learning, huge not learning, only just one habit make your life, and only just one habit consistency daily, little bit, no problem, but every day consistency make. Okay, so first time I have a one book. This book name is English short story, and their writer Mahitul Islam Pradhan. This book only just 4 or 5 days ago I bought online platform rockmary.com. Okay, this book is very good, and here almost 50 short stories keep. Okay, and all story only just easy way give, and short vocabulary, short easy sentence, and daily uses word to make this all everything uh, story. Okay, so I follow this book because here easy method and 5 tricks give how to improve your speaking. Okay, so that's why I can follow this book. But first month I improving only just speaking, but um, right now, uh, 2 month uh, continue learning speaking. Okay, so that's why I follow this book this month. Okay, um, first time and first month, not uh, not everything learning, or no many books learning. Okay, first time you can just only speaking. Okay, and next month you can try only just one habit, or like speaking everyday, speaking 5 minutes, 10 minutes, and like everyday 2 page or 3 page reading. Okay, so that's why I second month my challenge this book everyday reading. Okay, so that's why I have first time short story give, and under uh, most important and powerful word give. Okay, and meaning. So that's why these books follow. I cannot suggest you, because uh, every day every person another choice. So that's why your favorite book you can follow. Okay, and every day no 2 or 3 uh, short story reading, no, only just every day one story read and practice and speaking. Okay, so that's why your English improve daily, improving. Okay, and your habit consistency. Okay, so if you are a beginner learner, you can just one tricks, one one tips follow. This is my suggestion. If you one habit or how to build your habit, so that's why you can just one habit make every day, uh, only one book and into one story read and daily practices. Okay, and related word, related vocabulary, related sentence your life making. Okay, so I hope this video you learn something. So because uh, if you beginner learner, just you're improving, only just practice, no compromise, no excuse, only just practice. So I want to just only one things, every day you can learn. And please don't wait, never perfect time. Please don't wait perfect time, because the perfect time never comes. Okay, so that's why every day keep learning, every day practicing, and every day consistency, and never give up. Okay, because first time, first day and first month I cannot something, but right now I am here, only just practice, every day practice and every day consistent make. Okay, so I hope this video you're helpful. So thank you so much watching this video. Next, see you soon. So tata, bye bye, Allah Hafiz, assalamu alaikum.